I assume position.
Oh, Fisto.
Wow, this is like watching two monkeys try to fuck a football.
I'm not sure what that's supposed to sound like. Wow. Two monkeys.
That was, wow.
I used to work with this southern guy. Ironically, we called him Blue. And he had some great sayings. We'd be driving down the road, all of a sudden over the radio would hear, I don't know what the fuck is wrong with this bridge. It's hunched up more than a chihuahua trying to shit out a peach pit.
Nice.
Like, oh, okay, Blue. Thanks, bud.
I'm not even gonna lie. What I just did was awesome. Just gonna say,
Yeah.
dude, both of us ran out of ammo,
Yeah.
so I chased him around and started fucking hitting him with the butt of my gun.